starting now with recording on this thing. Get kind of things stripped off. They can break off, so I'd rather not use my size 10 bolts impact on these bolts. You can see this pipe is slightly cracked there. It's gone hard on the tap cap. I'll have to see about getting another one over there. Let me just get the spanners to do something. Not a nice smell around here in a moment. Accelerator. This unit here isn't so nice now. You can see the clip is all broken. So, oh, got to look at all these little things. That clips are broken, pipes are broken. That one is difficult. Doesn't want to come up so nicely. You just get a pliers to pinch on it. All right. Get all these off here quickly. Alright, now where's my bowl for the bolts and stuff? Close off there, we'll just go and look at it. One is loading in 5 there. And move that part around that way. Let's get these squirrels out here. There we go. Oil. Next one. Yes, lady. Ja. Ek doen mos YouTube video's.
Huh?
Ek doen YouTube video's mos. Lankal al. Afkomen. Stubborn. Ah. He doesn't come out. So far over this head. Comes out easy. Just take this back in there. And use it. Ah, got him. He's off. There he's off. Let's get down here to the inside here. The engine bay. I'll start stripping on that and get these bolts off in the front. 12. Off. Right, that one's off. That one's off. Try and lift it up with the intake manifold. Just take the necessary pipes off and I can sit in the garage and take it apart. It is easier to take this apart when she's out here because I can get the bottom bolts easier. Just make sure I've got all the bolts and stuff off. Just go off. So it's cracking between the wires and stuff. Right, the tension is loose. Belt out the way. I'm so short against this high vehicle. The vehicle is really high. So we've got the tension out. Let's put it in this basket here. Can just lay down there. Just in there, that we can come by there. Alright. Now I can move it out the way and get back on this box I'm standing on there, on a crate. That will be a bigger, it will be 15 or so. Just have a look here, can I get take that off. Let's see if I can get in there with 15. That can go through the back. Let's see which one of the two it's going to be. 14s. Yeah, maybe 14. Yes, sir. It is really setting. I'm bumping his own hands on mine constantly. Instead of bumping my hands, just pinching my hands. I want to. bolt is loose. I don't have to even battle with this. It's ever worked on this motor before the bolts froze. 4 years ago. That's strange. Alright, let's see where the bottom one is. If there's a bottom one, if we've got one somewhere. There, can I get to it from here? Yes. 14 ratchet. Which one am I going to be using here? Long extension, short extension. Let's have a look. Long. Long extension. I can get in there. Hope you folks are still on the recording. I'll check now. See if you're still recording. Yeah, still recording. Let's see what's something. Okay, yeah, I've got him. I need to just get my ratchet back on. This one is right under the pump. These wires now pushing my ratchet force away. Let's go over there. Very little space for movement. The bolts go out. Sorry. Spinner. Can't get my hands on it. I don't know why I've got such big hands, can't get into my hands. I must deliver this head in an hour's time, or 2 hours time. So I can do it up. Try to get into a cool bowl so I can save the water. Okay, there, the pump is out the way. Pump that side. That. Put this head out here quickly. Put the head out. That head is loose. Get that pipe off there quickly. Just get him over there. The bolt bracket down there must come off. It will be 10 over here. Flyers for there. I can pull this fuel rail out. Some more off here so I can get the fuel rail out. Okay, I got that down off. Put that in the crate. Oh, 10. Yeah, guy. I'll let you down over here. And the price is also down over here. Should not do that. I do that. I must get myself into habit of not doing it. And I keep doing that. gripper, just give it a twist. And pocket. Pocket. Now I drop mine. Now that's it down to the ground again. Nice off there. Always losing my ratchet down to the ground. Right, my ratchet back. Pop loose. And drop to the ground. I haven't put cement here in front yet and I'm going to lose it and I can't find it again. It's like a toolbox. Okay, whiteboard. Alright. More wires over here to take off. Off. That is off, that is off. Those bulbs go to the there's an injected out pipes. Inject the wires. Those come off. I think it's going to be easier if we just lift the rail up. Let's get a spot. Pick the old rail up. Okay, YouTubers, I'm going to come back to you when I've got all this pipes and stuff all disconnected and when I start loosening up the head again. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe please. Thank you, and thumbs up. Thank you.